of our other national parks now. I've worked with some parks that have very large populations of visitors. Glacier National Park, I was there last year.
Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today, it's a good day. Today and not tomorrow.
We're off on another little adventure today. You see where we're going? Yeah, it's kind of funny because it's like a lot of water here.
Yeah, they say the best way to see Voyageur National Park is by the water.
So guess what we're going to do today?
See it by the water.
By the water. We're taking the Kettle Falls cruise. It was the only one available for the day that we're here. So we're excited to kind of check it out. Hopefully we'll see a lot of things and we'll learn a lot more about this park.
Hopefully the weather will hold out.
Yes, we've heard there's a storm coming.
All night long.
Yeah, we heard a storm's coming, so we're going to hope and pray that we have good weather for this and that we learn a lot more about this park. It's way up here in the top of Minnesota.
By the border.
By the border, yes. All right, so come along with us. Let's check it out. We're at the Rainy Lake Visitor Center here in Voyageurs National Park. Let's go check it out.
Welcome.
Thank you so much. There's the moose. Maybe the only one I get to see up here at Voyageur. It's beautiful though. This is like the little gift shop.
Wish that I could stay. Wish for this moment to never go away. But it's all in my mind. And though I know that there is nothing to find, you're a beautiful sight in the summer night.
This is the Ash River Visitor Center. There's 3 visitor centers here. So check it out.
While you roam in the streets all alone, and all you can see, thinking about what your life came to be. You're a beautiful sight in the summer night, and you can't put up a fight.
Here's our boat they're going to be taking today to tour Voyageur State Park. We're going to go to the Kettle Falls area on it. We're excited!
Try to live another day like the mothers of Brazil find their way. We're all on our own, but you're the most beautiful I've ever known. You're a beautiful sight in the summer night, and you can't put up a fight in the misty light.
This is the sauna structure here on Stevens Island.
This was the sauna.
The sauna.
I think so, yeah.
Oh yeah, look at that. So on this side, this marker is today. This side is America, and then on the other side is Canada. On the other side of the boat. A little hike from the boat to the hotel. You can take a golf cart if you choose from the boat. There's a little hike. Yeah, nice little front porch, screened in. All right, so this is the bar inside of the hotel. It's bad enough when you start drinking it, but the floor is slanted sideways. I can imagine coming here and having a drink. It'd make you feel a little more drunk. Here's the front of the hotel. Really nice screened-in porch where we ate our little box lunch that we got. There's a restaurant as well. Very nice. You can stay here. Looks really nice. That's what it looked like before the dam. Now let's see what it looks like with the dam. A little different. It looks a little different.
Yeah, they're trussels. They're trussels to a train. The rails have been the rails have been taken off, and the thing is, there was a trestle that reached 1,200 feet out into the bay here, from a very shallow area to where it's deeper. And I'm going to show some pictures here, and sir, you're going to help me.
Hi everybody, how are y'all doing out there?
Hello, hello.
We just got back from an amazing day. What did we do?
Rode a boat.
We rode a boat.
All day.
All day, we did. Well, we got to
Pretty
get
much.
off.
No, we hiked a lot too.
Yeah, we hiked a lot. We got off on the first little island, Stevens Island, and hiked around it and learned a little bit about it. And then we went to the second island,
Kettle Falls.
And that's where we had lunch. We had a little box lunch. I don't know. It was a little pricey.
By the way, we were at Voyageur National Park.
Yeah.
On a tour boat.
On a tour boat. But the lunch was like $12.
$12.95.
I don't know.
All you got was a sandwich, very few chips, and a very tiny pickle.
Yeah, so if you ever do one of these trips, just take your own lunch, maybe.
I would suggest, yeah. Some people brought their own lunch. I would just bring your own lunch.
Yeah.
It'd be much better. Or you can get lunch there. We didn't eat lunch there, but so I can't say what the food was like or how much or anything. But yeah, we just ordered the box lunch. And
yeah. I mean, it was good food. It just was a little pricey for what we got.
Yeah.
Yeah. So then we hiked that little island. The dam is there. So you can see where the Kettle Falls used to be, but now it's a dam.
And the hotel there.
And the hotel, it's really cool. They have a bar in there where the floor is like, yeah.
It's like a big old huge knot, and then it slants down.
It does, and the pictures just don't do it justice. I don't know.
Yeah.
We really enjoyed it. I think if we ever come back, though, I think we want to like go camping at some of these little remote places. You can take a boat and camp all off by yourself. It looked really neat.
Yeah, you
So-
can either have a boat and go to these camp spots that they have on the lake, or they also rent houseboats that you can do and spend a couple,
Yeah.
3 days on the lake. And they actually have little campground spots for the houseboats.
Right.
So it's really cool.
And those people can pull into that hotel and eat lunch too.
Yeah, you can pull into a lot of these different
Yeah,
places.
and then there's different, little touring places you can go to and learn about what has there before.
It's truly a national park that you need to see by water.
Yeah,
They got all these different places you pull up to the dock and tour around.
it's a
these
bunch of
different places.
islands.
Yeah,
Yeah, we got to kind of go into Canada.
sort of.
We're on the line in the water. Yeah, so it was a really fun time. So hopefully you enjoy our video and everything that we showed you today. Yeah,
Had a blast.
we did. So you go out and find your adventure.